You launch Madden NFL 26, try entering online mode, and suddenly the message unable to connect to EA servers appears on screen. Sometimes it happens right at startup, while other times the game disconnects during matchmaking or ultimate team access. This problem is usually connected to internet instability, server outages, account connected problems, or outdated game files rather than something wrong with your console itself. In some situations, the EA servers may be temporarily overloaded, while other times, local network settings block the connection. Before reinstalling the entire game, these are the steps you can try to fix this and reconnect to EA servers successfully. 1. Restart your console or gaming PC completely before relaunching the game. 2. Reboot your internet router and wait for the connection to stabilize. 3. Check if EA servers are temporarily down or under maintenance. 4. Make sure Madden 26 is updated to the latest game version. 5. Sign out of your EA account and log back in again. 6. Test your internet connection speed from console network settings. 7. Launch the game again and retry connecting to online services.